In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a SmartDraw floor plan. Whether you're planning a new office layout or designing your dream home, SmartDraw is a fantastic tool that allows you to create detailed and professional-looking floor plans with ease. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to SmartDraw by opening your web browser and navigating to their website. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the main interface, which makes it easy to get started on your new project. You'll find an option to create a new document. Simply click on New Document to begin. When you open a new document, one thing that makes SmartDraw particularly user-friendly is its wide selection of templates. These templates are designed to give you a helpful starting point, so you don't have to create everything from scratch. You can select a template that closely matches the type of floor plan you want to create. Next, take a look at the options for floor plans. Within SmartDraw, you have the flexibility to choose between commercial and residential floor plans. Simply decide on the type of space you're designing and select Floor Plans Commercial if you're working on something like an office or retail space. Opt for Floor Plans Residential if it's a home or apartment layout you're envisioning. After you've selected your template type, you'll want to click on Open Example to see a pre-designed floor plan. This step gives you a chance to familiarize yourself with the layout and design elements available. It's a great way to gather inspiration and understand how different components fit together within a floor plan. Once inside the design interface, it's time to get creative. Click on Design to start customizing your floor plan. This is where you can add various elements to your plan, such as walls, doors, and windows. You can easily add a wall by selecting the Add Wall option, which allows you to draw lines where you want your walls to be. If your design requires openings in the walls, there is also an Add Wall Opening feature available. To further outline the layout of your room, use the Add Room Outlines tool. It's particularly useful for marking specific areas within your floor plan, like separating a living room from a kitchen. As you work on placing structural elements, add different types of doors and windows where needed to ensure the floor plan reflects your vision. Don't be afraid to experiment with these features until you achieve the layout you're happy with. Finally, once your design is complete, you can easily export your floor plan to a file type of your choice. SmartDraw supports various formats including PDF, SVG, PNG, and JPEG, making it simple to share your plans with others or print them out for reference. And there you have it, your professional floor plan is ready to go. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy to follow guides in the future. Happy designing!